Good morning, my dear students. In this video, I will discuss about the design of pile foundation. First, I will tell you the design step and I would request you to note it down, and after that I will take a numerical, and with the help of the steps we will solve the numerical. So please note down the steps and the question in your notebook, and please sit with a calculator to continue with the video. So let us look at the design steps first. Step number 1. A load acting on the pile foundation will be given in the question. Let us assume it as P. Then find ultimate load, that is PU, is equal to 1.5 P. Here I will follow the limit state of method for design. So we have to find the ultimate load as 1.5 times the load applied on the pile. Now if PU, that is the ultimate load, lies between 400 to 600 kilonewton, then you can assume a pile of cross section of 300 by 300 square cross section. But if the PU is more than 600, then you can go for 400 by 400 millimeter square pile foundation. Next is that in the limit state method it is given as ultimate load is equal to 0.4 FCK AG plus 0.67 FY minus 0.4 FCK bracket close ASC. Let us look at the notations. PU is what? Ultimate load. FCK is what? Compressive strength of concrete. That is, if we use M15 concrete, what will be FCK? 15 Newton per millimeter square. If we use M20 concrete, FCK will be 20 MPa, like that way. What is AG? AG stands for the gross area of the pile. That means what you have assumed over here, either 300 by 300 or 400 by 400. That is the gross area of the pile. Okay. What is ASC? ASC is the area of the reinforcement you are going to provide. What is FY? FY is the tensile strength of the steel. Suppose you are using FE 415. So what will be the value of FY? 415 MPa. You are using FE 250 grade steel. So what will be FY? 250. Okay. Now using this equation you find ASC, that is the reinforcement area. Next you have to do a check. Check means if length is less than 30 into D, that means what? What is D? D is the dimension of the pile. That means if you have taken a 400 by 400 square cross section of the pile, so D value is 400. So you check whether the length of the pile is less than 30 into D. If this is there, so minimum ASC will be 1.25% of AG. This is provided by the IS 2911, that is the design of the pile foundation. In the IS code you can find they have specified that this table. Next is if L lies between 30D to 40D, then minimum reinforcement you have to give 1.5% of AG. If L is greater than 40D, then 2% of AG. So please remember this table, that you have to, after finding out ASC from the equation given, you have to check that whether it satisfies the minimum ASC criteria, then you proceed further. So now after you have confirmed that what is your ASC, so now you decide about the diameter of the bar. Here I would suggest that minimum 20 millimeter diameter bar is used. You can use 22, 25, 28 millimeter diameter. It completely depends upon you and the expertise of the structural engineer, that what value of the diameter you are going to take. And the more number of problem you will practice, you will get idea how much you have to take. So you assume any diameter of the bar. and then find the number of the bar. How you can find out? Total ASC means total reinforcement needed, you have found out. Now area of each bar you can find, if you have decided the diameter of the bar, you can find the area of the bar. So from there you can find the number of bars. But please take care that if there is a square pile foundation you are giving, so minimum 4 numbers of bars are needed, and if you are providing circular pile, circular cross section pile, then minimum 6 bar you have to provide. Another important criteria, you have to give a clear cover of 50 millimeter. So these are the points, please note it down. Next step is the step number 2, that is the lateral reinforcement for the pile body. Okay, so again here you assume the diameter of the tie bar as 8 mm, that is the minimum you have to provide. Okay, so area of the tie bar, you can find it out, pi by 4 multiplied by 8 square, pi by 4 d square, correct? So that is a phi t, that notation, area of the tie bar. Now what will be the circumference? Circumference will be 4 multiplied by d minus 2 into clear cover, and volume of one tie bar will be, that is the area of the tie bar multiplied by the circumference. Now volume of the tie bar, whatever you have found out, that should be equal to 0.2% of Ag into P, where P is the pitch. So from here you can find out the value of pitch, but remember the maximum value of pitch is d by 2. D means the least lateral dimension of the pile you are providing. If you are taking 400 by 400, then it will be 400 by 2. So check it that the maximum pitch should be that much. Okay, so check that value. This step, it will be more clear to you when I will explain it in the numerical problem. So the circumference part will be clear to you. Step number 3. So lateral reinforcement for the pile end. Again from the last step we have found out VT. VT is what? VT is the volume of one tie bar. So for pile end you have to provide 0.6% Ag into P. For pile body it was 0.2%, here it is 0.6%, so only this much. So from here you again find P, but this we are finding out for the pile end. Step number 2 किसके लिए था? That was for the pile body, और ये है pile end. Now provide it for a length of 3D. ये जो pile end के लिए जो pitch है, so this you have to provide for a length of 3D. D means what? Least lateral dimension. If you have taken 400 millimeter, how much it will be? 3 into 400 मतलब 1200 millimeter तक ये देना है, ये pitch देना है, correct? Step number 4, last step. So a spiral reinforcement is also given at the pile head. Okay, so volume of one tie, again you have to find it out. So because as you are giving the spiral reinforcement, so this is the A phi t. A phi t मतलब जो tie bar लिया था 8 millimeter diameter का, so A phi t will be how much? Pi by 4 d square, that value multiplied by 2 pi r, because this here you are providing the spiral, so it will be the circumference will be 2 pi r. Now the equation you have to apply, that this value of one tie bar, volume of one tie bar should be equal to 0.6% into Ag into P. So from here again you find the value of P, that is the spiral reinforcement value. So again provide it for a length of 3D. So these are the steps. The point, if anywhere you are not clear, you will understand it just in 2 minutes, because now I am going to explain one numerical. There it will be more clear. Design a pile under a column transmitting an axial load of 1200 kilonewton. The pile is to be driven to a hard strata available at a depth of 8 meter. Use M25 concrete and Fe 415 steel. So let us see how to solve the problem. First you note it down the given data. In the question what is given? Load given as 1200 kilonewton. So P is equal to 1200 kilonewton. Length of the pile it is given as 8 meter. Convert it into millimeter, 8000 millimeter. And in the question it is Fe 415 steel they have told to use, so Fy will be 15 MPa, and M25 concrete they have told in the question. So FCK will be 25 Newton per mm square or MPa. So these are the given data. Now we can start with the design. I hope you have already written down the step. So see the step and understand that how I am doing the problem. So step number 1 is the design of main reinforcement. What was the step? That the ultimate load is equal to PU equal to 1.5 P. So 1.5 into 1200. So that comes out to be 1800 kilonewton. Now 1 kilonewton equal to 10 cube Newton. So 1800 into 10 cube Newton. So as per our table, we have to take the value of size of the pile as 400 by 400 millimeter, because here the load is more than 600 kilonewton. So assume the size of the pile is 400 by 400. Now what will be the gross area of the pile? AG will be 400 into 400, that is 16 into 10 to the power 4 millimeter square. Now what is ASC? ASC is the area of the main reinforcement which you have to provide. Write down the formula. PU equal to 0.4 FCK AG plus bracket start 0.67 FY minus 0.4 FCK bracket close ASC. So here what is the value of PU? 1800 into 10 cube, FCK value 25, AG value 16 into 10 to the power 4, FY value is how much? 415. So from here you put all the values. So you will find the value of ASC, that is the area of the reinforcement. So I request all of you, please stop over here and try to do the calculation in your calculator and check that whether it is coming correct. So ASC will come out to be 746 millimeter square. ASC आ गया. Now we have to do the checking as I have told you in the design step. So here length of the pile is 8 meter, that means 8000 millimeter. So 30 multiplied by the least lateral dimension of the pile D, that means D what we have assumed 400 millimeter we have assumed. So 30 into 400 means how much? 12,000 millimeter. Correct. So L is what? 8000. It is less than 30 into D. So minimum reinforcement we have to give at the rate of 1.25% of AG. That means what? 1.25 divided by 100 into what is AG? 400 into 400. That gives the value of minimum reinforcement as 2000 millimeter square. So from the equation we have got 746, but actually minimum you have to give 2000. So we have to follow this value, that means 2000 millimeter square, because that is the minimum reinforcement you have to give. Correct. So let us provide 25 millimeter diameter bar. So area of one bar A phi is equal to pi by 4 into 25 square. That comes out to be 490 millimeter square. So how many bars will be needed? Number of bars is equal to ASC minimum, that means the total reinforcement divided by the area of each bar. So 2000 divided by 490. So 4 bar. This is okay, because see we have assumed a square cross section pile na? So what is the minimum number of bar we have to provide? 4. So it is coming to be 4. It is okay. So correct. So hence write down the conclusion. Provide 4 bar of 25 millimeter diameter and also provide a clear cover of 50 millimeter. Now let us go to step number 2, that is the lateral reinforcement but for pile body. So let us provide 8 millimeter diameter tie bar. Area of one tie bar will be A phi T is equal to pi by 4 into 8 square, that is 50.2 millimeter square. So you remember this value. See, after solving the numerical you will start remembering this value के 8 millimeter diameter अगर बार लेते हैं उसका cross sectional area 50.2 millimeter square आता है. So this you can just write it down after some time on your own. You don't have to calculate each and every time. So now let us look at the circumference part, because that was not clear over there when you were noting down the design steps. See, look at the diagram. I have drawn the diagram, 400 by 400 pile dimension I have drawn. Here I have shown 4 piles. I have given the number of bars is 4, correct? So, and clear cover is 50 and 50, both side clear cover. So, what will be the dimension of this one side of the tie bar? So, 400 minus 50 minus 50, that means 300. So, this is the length of each side of the tie bar. So, what will be the circumference of the tie bar? It has 4 sides, so 4 into 300, that is 1200 millimeter. So, this is the circumference of the tie bar, that is C. Now, volume, how you can find out? Volume is what? Area multiplied by the circumference. So, 50.2 into 1200, that gives out to be 60,240 millimeter cube. That is the volume of one tie bar. Now, lateral reinforcement in the body is provided at the rate of 0.2% of the gross volume. So, that means Vt is equal to 0.2% into Ag into P. Gross volume is what? Gross area multiplied by the pitch. So, 0.2 by 100 multiplied by Ag is how much? 400 into 400. What is pitch? That we have to find out. So, it comes out to be Vt equal to 320 P. So, Vt was 60,240 equal to 320 P. So, P comes out to be 188.2 millimeter. But maximum pitch you can provide P max equal to D by 2. D is what? D is 400, na? Least lateral dimension of the pile. So, 400 by 2 equal to how much? 200 millimeter. So, hence you can provide 8 millimeter diameter tie bar at the rate of 200 millimeter center to center. Dekho, we have got the value of pitch as 188. So, that you can approximate it as 190. Correct? Maximum value pitch you can give 200. So, you can keep it as 190 also, or you can give 200, the maximum allowable value of the pitch. You can see the drawing over here. I have tried to explain it that this is the D is the lateral. I have drawn here an isometric view of the pile foundation. So this is the D is what? D is the size of the pile foundation, and here I have shown pitch that from one tie bar to the other tie bar, what is the pitch. Okay, now let us come to the step number 3, lateral reinforcement for pile end. Step number 2 क्या था? Pile body के लिए lateral reinforcement था. This is for the pile end. सो पाइल एंड के लिए भी क्या था? एक ही है. बॉडी के लिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं? 0.2% ऑफ द ग्रॉस वॉल्यूम लेते हैं, और एंड के लिए हम लोग 0.6% ऑफ द ग्रॉस वॉल्यूम लेते हैं. वीटी ऑलरेडी वी हैव फाउंड आउट 60,240, और 0.2% जो बॉडी के लिए लिया था, इधर क्या लेना है? पाइल एंड के लिए 0.6%. सो 0.6 बाई 100 ग्रॉस वॉल्यूम क्या था? एजी इंटू पी था. 400 इंटू 400 ग्रॉस एरिया इंटू पी. So P comes out to be 62.6 millimeter. So you can assume it as 60 millimeter. So the conclusion is provide 8 millimeter tie bar at the rate of 60 millimeter center to center at both ends of the pile for a length of 3D. What is 3D? 3 into 400, that is 1200 millimeter. So our step 3 is also done. Now last step is the step 4, lateral reinforcement at the pile head. So lateral reinforcement at the pile head. Now near the pile head, special spiral reinforcement are given for 3D length, matlab 3 times of the least lateral dimension. So volume of the spiral is equal to at the rate of 0.6% of the gross volume per millimeter length. So 0.6%, 400 into P, 960 P. Correct. Now see, this step is also similar to step 2 and 3, but here the circumference is going to change. वो स्क्वायर क्रॉस सेक्शन था, तो circumference हम लोगों ने क्या लिया था, एक साइड का लेंथ निकाला था टाई बार का, then we have multiplied it by 4 because it was square, but here we are providing the spiral reinforcement, so it is not a square perimeter, it is the circular perimeter. Okay, so let us see that here only the circumference is going to be different from the step 2 and 3. So let us see how we are going for it. So here also we are using 8 millimeter diameter spiral. Okay, now A5 will be again 50.2. Now circumference part, you see I have drawn one diagram also. See the pile is of 400 millimeter dimension, correct, 50-50 clear cover. So how much is remaining? 300. 300 is the side of one tie bar, of one side, each side of the tie bar. Now over there we are providing a spiral reinforcement. So for the spiral reinforcement it is the circumference is equal to 2 pi r सर्कल के लिए. So 2 pi, अभी r क्या होगा, देखो डायमीटर, ये जो सर्कल है, सर्कल का डायमीटर क्या होगा, स्क्वायर का जो तुम्हारा साइड आया है दैट मीन्स 300, वही डायमीटर होगा, करेक्ट. द सर्कल इनसाइड डायमीटर अगर 300 होगा तो रेडियस कितना होगा, 150 होगा. So 300/2. So this is the circumference value that comes out to be 942.47. So volume of one tie bar, spiral tie bar के लिए 50.2 into 942.47, that comes out to be 47.31 into 10 cube. Again equate it with the VT value, so 960 P equal to this, so P comes out to be 49.28 millimeter. You can approximate is as 50 millimeter. So here our conclusion is provide 8 millimeter diameter tie bar at the rate of 50 center to center for how much length, for 3D length, that means 1200 millimeter. Here I have drawn the final diagram of the pile foundation. So if you have noted down my problem, so you will understand that the whatever I have written over there, and I have underlined and boxed in the several parts of our decision. So because that is useful while you draw the diagram. You can see I have shown it, the pile dimension as 400 diameter, correct. So I am explaining from the top of the diagram, so please read it from the top. So 400 I have shown it as the diameter of the pile. ठीक है, फिर आफ्टर दैट 1200 मिलीमीटर, दैट इज़ 3D. 1200 मिलीमीटर में हम लोगों ने स्पाइरल डाला था, 8 मिलीमीटर बार का डायमीटर बार यूज़ किया था, जिसका सेंटर टू सेंटर था 50. फिर उसके बाद द नेक्स्ट पार्ट आई हैव ड्रॉन इट एज द मेन रीइंफोर्समेंट बार के लिए व्हाट वाज आवर डिसीजन, 4 बार्स ऑफ 25 मिलीमीटर डायमीटर. सो दैट आई हैव शोन इट. And then I have shown the pile as a I have shown a broken line just to signify that this is the pile length has been broken, and then we have shown the other thing. So next you can see that the lateral dimension in the body, that was reinforcement bar was 8 millimeter tie bar at the rate 200 cc tha. So that I have shown. After that at the pile end again it was for the 1200 millimeter distance, 8 millimeter diameter tie bar for 60 millimeter center to center. So please check it with the numerical different design step and you will understand this diagram. Please see also my video on pile foundation, how to find out the bearing capacity of an individual pile, of a group of pile. So I have uploaded another video on that. If you have any doubt, any query, you can, or any comment, you can put it in the comment box. You can mail me also at the given email ID. And thanks for watching.